Welcome to the presentation on Guidelines for Process and Procedure Training for New Employees. This presentation provides guidelines for training new employees on process and procedure within an organization. What is a procedure? A procedure is a series of clearly defined steps that result in the achievement of a task. What is a process? A process is defined as a set of procedures that show how things work. Every organization has certain processes and procedures that employees need to follow. Why is it important to train employees on process and procedures? Process training helps employees to understand the inbuilt processes and systems better, thereby increasing the effectiveness for ensuring a smooth workflow. Process training helps employees gain knowledge on the methods to be adopted, thereby avoiding wastage and increasing productivity. Process training also helps employees to know the steps involved to complete a task, thereby reducing wastage of time. You need to be aware of the following key points before developing a training program on processes and procedures. It is important for a course developer to understand what are the inputs essential for delivery of training output. He or she should also understand the resources required for process training. The expectations of people who are going to receive the training need to be kept in mind. Finally, one also needs to analyze the effectiveness of process training for rectification of errors. Having these parameters in mind, ensure a purposeful training program. Here are some guidelines you may follow in order to develop a training program that helps new employees better understand the procedures or processes. Well before starting the training program, it would be better if you first help employees to understand the procedures in their entirety. Next, you need to first explain the theoretical aspects that are related to the procedures so that employees get an idea of the procedures that the organization follows. Pictorial representation helps employees understand the functioning of various systems in an effective and easy manner. Animations are used to explain the complex processes and procedures. You can present the demonstrations by combining animations with motion pictures or video program. With this combined usage, it becomes easy to understand the components involved in a process. Circular diagrams help to conceptualize the process in a circular flow. With its demonstrative nature and the information displayed in each sector, employees will be able to understand the logical sequence to be followed to arrive at a solution. Process flowchart is a diagrammatic representation generally used for documenting complex processes. Process training helps for the smooth workflow and increases the productivity. Regular training on processes ensures adherence to quality standards, resulting in operational efficiency. To read articles on similar topics, please visit blog.comlabindia.com. Thank you.